Hello everyone, welcome to the DASHCAM teacher. Today, we are going to look at some crashes, road rage, and some idiots driving cars. So grab your favorite snack and get ready. I hope you enjoy.
I don't know how to drive, bro. Oh. Seems like a truck.
It's open at the 210 eastbound, 210 eastbound. Got it on rider truck. I guess we'll find out in just a moment here, I guess.
Holy
Don't worry about it, baby. To the floor with me. ¿Qué pasa? Dando la para con la gente de Cristo Rey Guay. Ponme la música DJ, ¿qué pasa? Bajamos una botella de gay. Con los tigres de Guay, ¿qué pasa? Dando la para con la gente de Cristo Rey Guay. Dando la para.
Yeah. Are you serious? What the
What the dude?
We
Whoa!
just saw an accident, Mom. Hold up. I'll call you.
Yeah, let's go.
You want time for some tussendoor?
Thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Oh, and take a look at these two videos. Maybe you like them.